Hi guys, in this video we talk about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra versus Google Pixel 8 Pro. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra launched on January 2024 with the price tag of $1,099, and the Google Pixel 8 Pro launched on October 2023 with the price tag of $999, and the dimensions is same, not much difference. And the weight of these devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro have 213 gram and the Samsung S24 Ultra have 225 gram. And the build, the Samsung S24 Ultra front and back glass and titanium frame, and Google Pixel 8 Pro front and back glass and aluminium frame. The both mobile come with dual SIM support. Let's talk about the display of these devices. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with Dynamic AMOLED 2x 16mm color, and Google Pixel 8 Pro come with LTPO OLED 16mm color. And the screen size, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with 6.81 inches and Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 6.70 inches. And the resolution of these devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 1344 by 2992 pixels and Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with 1440 by 3088 pixels. And the PPI dynasty, the Samsung S24 Ultra come with 508 and the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 489, and the refresh rate is same 120Hz. Screen to body ratio, Samsung S24 Ultra come with 91.1% and Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 87.4%. The protection, the both device come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. And the display brightness, the Samsung S24 Ultra come with 3000 nits peak brightness and Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 2400 nits peak brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. The Samsung S24 Ultra come with quad-core camera setup. The main sensor 200 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel telephoto and 200 megapixel periscope telephoto, and 8K 30fps video record. And the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 48 megapixel ultra wide and 48 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's record 4K 60fps video. The selfie camera of these devices, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra have 40 megapixel selfie camera and the Google Pixel 8 Pro have 10.5 megapixel selfie camera, and the both mobile record 4K 60fps video with selfie camera. The platform of these devices, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra have octa-core CPU with Cortex X4 and the Google Pixel 8 Pro have Nona-core with Cortex X3. And the chipset, the Google Pixel 8 Pro have Google Tensor G3 4nm chipset and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. And the GPU of these devices, the Samsung S24 Ultra have Adreno 750 GPU and Google Pixel 8 Pro have a Motorola G715S GPU, and the both mobile come with Android 14 OS. Let's talk about the memory of these devices. The Samsung S24 Ultra come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM and the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 12GB of RAM. And the internal storage, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with 256GB, 12GB and 1TB of internal storage, and the Google Pixel 8 Pro have 128GB, 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage, and no SD card support in both devices. And the battery of these devices, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with 5000 mAh battery and the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 5050 mAh battery. And the charging, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with 45 watt fast charging and the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 30 watt fast charging. And Samsung S24 Ultra have 15 watt wireless charging and Google Pixel 8 Pro 23 watt wireless charging, and both mobile come with 5G network support. The common and features is same in both devices, and the result of these devices, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra go 25 points and the Google Pixel 8 Pro go 22 points.